I am Vignesh M, final year Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now I am share some information about 3D printing in manufacturing. These are topics we are going to discuss here. Introduction: the rapid emergence of Industry 4.0, that is the next revolution of the industry, implies that our engineering technology needs to acquire new competencies according to adapt digital transformation. And so industry adoption of 3D printing has been increasing gradually from manufacturing of low customized parts. Right now, 3D printing as an end-use manufacturing technology. 3D printing, printing of a printing of an object 3D is called 3D printing. The technology used for printing a physical 3D object from a digital out is called 3D printing, and the technologies that build by adding a layer upon layer of material, whether the material may be a plastic or metal or concrete or any composite material. 3D printing is also called as a additive manufacturing. And next, history of 3D printing. In 1980, the patent of 3D printing by Dr. Kodama as a rapid prototyping. And in 1984, the stereolithography, that is a method of one of the method of 3D printing is abandoned. And in 1986, stereolithography was introduced by Charles Hull. And then in 1987, first SLA type of machine is introduced. And in 2000, the 3D printed kidney has introduced. And in 2008, the first 3D printed prosthetic leg. And in 2010, first 3D printed car as a presented. And in 2016, the printed bone, etc. Till now, there are many. Next, the process of 3D printing. How to make a 3D printed model? First, we need to design our required model or object in a 3D modeling software. Then we need to convert into a STL file and upload this STL file into the slicing software, and slicing software gives us a G codes. We need to feed the G codes into the 3D printer, which will access into a motion, that is a horizontal motion, vertical motion, like that. Then we get a 3D printed model. Then it will go for post processing process, like a material removal, like that. Then we get a desired output. Types of 3D printing technologies. One of the type is stereolithography. This is the most important type of 3D printing method. In this method, there is a vat, that is a vertical movement. In this vat, we are filling the resin, which is a photopolymer that become hard when exposed to a UV light. Because of photopolymers are photosynthetic under UV light, the resin is solidified and form a single layer of desired object. We are passing a laser source, that is a UV laser source, into the resin. According to a required shape, the resin will solidify, and the next layer of resin will solidify. The operation is going on repeatedly until we get a required 3D object. In this method, um, the advantage is we can build many materials, and time is also fast. And then disadvantage, the resin photopolymer, it cost is very high. Then fusion deposition modeling. This is also an important method. Fusion deposition modeling is a process that uses a continuous filament of thermoplastic material. We can use any material, thermoplastic material or thing. Here we are heating the filament. Filament means a thin string wire like material. We are heating a filament in an extrusion nozzle. In this type of 3D printing, instead of that, we are using a flat surface. That is a build-up platform. Instead of UV light, we are using a extruder, that is a heating extrusion nozzle that melt a string of plastic and come out one end. Because of gravitational force, it come out, and we can make additive layer by layer. By using this method, we are building houses and etc. Next, laminated object manufacturing. This is also a simple method. In this method, first the material sheet. In this method, the material is a sheet type. In this method, the material sheet is placed into a platform, and a heated roller is passed over it. Then to the required shape, the UV light passes over it. This is a one layer, and next layer the sheet will pass, and the heat roller along also pass with it. The laser light also will pass. By layer, this object will made according to required size. In this size, we are using a thermoplastic materials such as PVC, paper, composite, and etc. In this process, the surface finish is rough only. We need to go for some surface finish smoothing processes, and builder speed also somewhat fast. Selective laser sintering. This is also an important method. In this method, we are using a powder metal. In this building platform, we have spread powdered material powder, and the material powder is laid along by a leveler or roller on a build tray. The layer thickness varies based on the strength and material or tolerance decided. Here, the powder is spread on a platform, and a roller is made over on it, and the record decide to the required shape and size. The UV laser beam will pass over along it. By layer, the operations go on. In additive manufacturing technique, we are using a high power laser sources such as a carbon dioxide laser to fuse a small particle of plastic, metal, ceramic, or glass powder into a mass that is a 3D desired three-dimensional shape. Direct metal laser sintering. This is also an subtopic of a sintering SLS method. In this method, we are making a metal printing. Here also the same. We are spread powdered ferrous. That is a ferrous powder spread over on a platform, and the roller will pass along it. Then the UV UV laser will pass over along it to get a required shape. Here we are using a materials like ferrous metal, steel alloy, stainless steel, tool steel, non-ferrous like chromium, titanium, ceramics also. Here also the surface finish may be average. Surface finish processes. The application. 3D printing is a wide area of application. In aerospace industry, NASA Engineering England advances technology by using a 3D printing method. It reduces the weight in air. By using a 3D printing method, it reduces the weight in air. And NASA manufactured a rover by using a FDM method also. In automobile industry, headlight prototype, front bumper, dashboard interface, suspension, air conditioning ducting, many etc. are there in automobile industry. And other applications in architecture industry, the building design plan like that, the complex design are create complex design building. It saves money and time, and it provides better perspective. And in medical field, bioprinting the tissues, organs are also printed. Heart, kidney, bones are also printed. The human ear cartilage is also printed. Many medical equipments are also printed by 3D printing method. This is an example of 3D printing. The materials for 3D printing. The metallic materials like plain carbon steel, tool steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, titanium, bronze, nickel alumides, etc. And the polymer composites like ABS, nylon, polycarbonate, glass filled polyamide, polystyrene, polyester, or etc. And the other temperature withstanding materials like sand, ceramic, elastomers, tungsten, wax, starch, plaster, etc. And the biocompatible materials. In the medical industry, the biocompatible materials are mostly used. The materials like polycaproathane, polypropylene, tricalcium phosphate, tetracalcium phosphate, beta tricalcium phosphate, polymethyl methylcrylate, etc. Conclusion: 3D printer has many promising areas in a potential future application. It rapidly changes changing the manufacturing industry. This technology will help to develop the digital transformation in manufacturing, and surely the future will go on it. Thank you.